This video will guide you on how to create a thread on Threads. To create a thread on Threads, you can follow these quick simple steps. Open up your Threads application and make sure that you're logged in. Now, tap on the new message button or the pencil icon at the bottom of the screen. Now, go ahead and start a thread by typing something. A thread is something you post that appears in your profile and in your news feed. It can include short pieces of text, links, photos, or videos. If you want to add photos, you can tap on the link icon right under Start a Thread. This will take you to your gallery. Now select an image or a video from your library and tap on Done at the top right. That is how you'll be able to attach a photo or a video. If you want to enter a text in your thread, you can simply go ahead and type it into the Start a Thread text box. Now select the audience for your threads. Tap on Anyone Can Reply at the bottom left and then select the audience for your thread. You can select between anyone and make your thread public. If you select profiles you follow, only the people that you follow will be able to access to your threads. If you select mentioned only, the people that you've tagged on this thread will be able to see them. Now, tap on the post button at the bottom right and you'll be able to see that your threads is being posted. That is how you can easily create a thread on Threads application. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thanks for watching.